So welcome students. In this question, given that f is a function defined from natural numbers to integers, and f of n is n minus 1 by 2 if n is odd and minus n by 2 if n is even. So you're asked to find the 1, 1 and onto nature of this function. So let us try to plot this function in a diagrammatic way. So this function is defined from the set of natural numbers to the set of integers, right? F means you have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And in the second set you have 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. 1, 2, 3, so on. The first set is the set of natural numbers and the second set is the set of integers. Now, how does the function work? If n is odd, the functional value is n minus 1 by 2. That is, if n is equal to 1, this is odd number. So the functional value is n minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 0. Say if the number is 3, 3 minus 1 by 2 is 1. Number is 5, 5 minus 1 by 2, 5 is related to 2. Similarly, 7 will be related to 3, so on. It means all the positive side is being covered. Next, if n is even, so the functional value is minus n by 2. For n is equal to 2, you have minus 1. For n is equal to 4, you have minus 2. For n is equal to 6, you have minus 3. So clearly you can see that different elements are related to different elements in the domain have different images in the codomain, and all the elements in the codomain are being mapped. Hence, this function is 1, 1, onto. This function is both 1, 1 and onto. Thank you.